Hello everybody, it is February 25th, 2018, and I'm out on the pond for the preseason first pond run of 2018. This is motor number 3 for today. It's kind of breezy out here today, the wind's blowing me into shore right now, but this one is a 1955 Johnson CD-12, 5.5 horse. This one I bought at Tomahawk AOMCI meet in 2016, and it wasn't all there, mostly there. It was kind of just an assembly of different parts. The power head doesn't match the exhaust housing, and it's got a later tiller. It didn't have a tiller grip. I had to put the tiller grip and the friction block in it. Basically, I just had to, I used parts and pieces to complete it. Built it for a test mule for some coils that I bought on eBay directly from Hong Kong, and they were pretty cheap, so I thought I'd give them a try and see how they do. So far, I've had this motor running in the tank for about 4.5 or 5 hours. No problem so far. After I got the thing together, new points condensers, of course the new coils, new wires, new plugs, carb kit, new fuel lines. I put a gear case on it from one that I had in my on my parts shelf, and it fired up on the first pull and it ran, and so far so good. So I'm out on the pond today giving it a run around on the boat for the first time, and I'll fire it up here and show you how it turned out. She's not real pretty, but it's a good runner, so happy with it. Back out of the cattails here. The only thing I can say about these coils is I don't think they make a spark at quite as low an RPM as the OMC coils do. I can't idle it down quite as far. It's like the spark just dies out. It does pretty good, I mean, but right there, it's like it just conks out. But other than that, than a super slow idle, I have no complaints. Water pump's pumping good. I just put one together out of used parts and a new impeller. Eventually I'll change it, I think, but it's working fine for now. But yeah, I'm going to try to put some hours on this thing this year just to try these coils out and see how it works. So far it seems like a good solid motor, so I'm happy. That'll do it on this one. Till next time, thanks for watching. Keep your prop out of the mud.